modern aesthetics. Simple light, luxury small room type. Side button, convenient and fast. Ergonomic curved seat, stable and comfortable. Power off flush button. Press air drying button to start warm air drying function. Automatic flush before drying. Press rear wash button to start hip cleaning. Press front wash button to start female cleaning. Short press stop power button to stop current working state. Foot sensing signal will be triggered when unseated. Flush will be conducted once. Foot sensing flush will be ineffective when seated. Short press plus button to increase water pressure. Short press minus button to reduce water pressure. Short press up arrow to move the spray rod forward. Short press down arrow to move the spray rod backward. Press defecation clean on the remote control to drive the cleaning water column into the end of anal canal to help defecate. Press rear wash on the remote control to start hip cleaning. Press cold and hot button on the remote control to start alternating cold and hot massage. Double press cold and hot button to open or close mobile cleaning. Press air drying button to start warm air drying function. Automatic flush before drying. Short press stop power button to stop current cleaning or drying. Long press enter standby mode. Short press, long press. Wake up standby. Enter normal mode. Standby mode. Short press flush button to start flushing. Flush function is ineffective in cleaning. Short press menstrual button to clean perineum according to the custom parameters of female menstrual period. Double press open or close mobile cleaning. Short press front wash button to start female cleaning. Double press open or close mobile cleaning. Short press children button to start child care cleaning. Short press water temp button to circularly adjust cleaning water temperature. Short press seat temp button to circularly adjust seat temperature. Short press air temp to circularly adjust drying air temperature. Start spray rod cleaning function to manually clean spray rod. Short press one touch button to start hip wash, flush, drying, automatic cleaning function. Short press night light button to open or close soft light. Long press night light button to enter or exit energy saving mode.